convoluted and taking simple, throwing it out the window. You forgo any emotional hope I may have had in a single impulsive decision so vital. Come girl, won't you take out your rifle, shoot down all my high points and start with me. Start with